Good morning, students. Today topic graphical representation of the frequency distributions for grouped data. The graphical representation is two types. First one is ungrouped data, second one is grouped data. Ungrouped data, the line graph, bar graph, pictograph and the pie chart are the ungrouped data. Histogram, frequency polygon, frequency curve, cumulative frequency curve or the sum of the graphical representations are called the grouped data. Okay, see the picture there. Graphical representation divided two types. Two data. First one is ungrouped data. Second one is grouped data. Ungrouped data, line graph, bar graph, pictograph, pie chart. These all the one is ungrouped data. Line graph, you drawing in the line graph, bar graph, that box like doing no. 600 studying time you write do that bar graph. So this type of graph is called the bar graph, pictograph, pie chart. This all the one is called the ungrouped data. Histogram, frequency polygon, frequency curve, cumulative frequency curve are called grouped data. Data, what is the meaning of data? Data is collection of facts such as numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, some numbers, words, measurements and observations are called the data. Next one is histogram. Histogram is a graph of a continuous frequency distribution. This is called the histogram. There must need in the class interval. See the example. The draw in one histogram, x-axis, x dash, y, o, y dash. The start the number is 0. Two axes also meeting point is O. The starting number is first 50, 60, 70, 80. The knots are the continuous number. So here between one symbol no. So this indicates not starts from 0. Not start from 0 for putting in the symbol. 0 to 50 means they are correct. They are 0 to not start. 50 to only starting there. So the symbol is indicates not starts from 0. Next, this is the height of the histogram. Height of the rectangle in the frequency. Height of the rectangle in the frequency. These two distances width remains the same. No gap between the rectangle. The rectangle and all not have the gap. This is the histogram. What is the difference between the bar graph and the histogram? Bar graph is the ungrouped data. Histogram is the grouped data. Gap between the bars. See the bar 6th standard studying for have the bar graph for gap even putting even the drawing that bar graph. So bar graph have the gap. In histogram for the no gap between the rectangles. Height of each bar is important and not its width. Height only important. That not important in the width there. Height and width are each of rectangles are equally important. Histogram for the height and width is equally important of the rectangle. Now I start the exercise 6.2. Which of the following data can be represented in histogram? They are given in 5 questions. Which one is represented as the histogram? Now you understand what is the meaning of histogram. Histogram is the grouped data. It is no gap, must need in the class interval. Class interval meaning is numbers. This number from that number 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 60 to 70. So must need the numbers from and to must there need. This is called the histogram. See the first question. The number of mountain climbers in the age group 20 to 60 in Tamil Nadu. They are given in 20 to 60. So have the numbers. They have the upper limit and the lower limit also they have. This is the histogram. So conformly, Tamil Nadu mountain climb members age group 20 to 60 definitely can able to count there. So this is called the histogram. Here you write in yes. Next one, production of cycle in different years. So differently they have in production of cycle in one year. So this is no. First what they consider that number is there have or no. So this is no is the answer. The number of students in each class of a school. Number of students in each class of a school. So how do they count? Not possible. Numbers also they are not give. So this is no the histogram. The number of votes polled from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. in a election. So in now election is there going on, you think 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. is how many people is voted there, definitely counted, possible this is. So then before 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. also they are given, this is histogram to possible. So you write it yes. Next, the wickets fallen from 1 over to 50th over in one day cricket match. So one day cricket match, how many players and all wicket fallen there, definitely can able to count that. So 1 over to 50th over is there given. This one also possible. You write it yes. So this is possible to histogram, or how do they find easily there? 20 to 60. 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. 1 over to 50th over. They are given in the numbers. This is yes, you write. The remaining two questions for they are not have the numbers. So this is you write in easily write in the know the histogram. Next, filling the blanks. The total area of the histogram is dash to the total frequency of the given data. The total area of the histogram is dash to the total frequency of the given data. See there, this is one. See here, this is one graph. I am writing in 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 10 to 20 members in and all 4, 6, 8 I am drawing there. This side is called the frequency. So the what is the question is asking that the total area of the histogram is dash to the total frequency. What is the meaning of area? This full covered place is called the area. This area and this frequency is how to they are possible? Proportional to equal there. So what is that one you write here? Proportional to, you write proportional to equal. Proportional. What is the meaning of area? You know. So full here inside shading this portion is called the area. This is 2, 4, 6, 8 is called the frequency. These two also proportionally equal there. Next question, a graph that displays data that changes continuously over the periods of the time is called the histogram. You write in here a histogram. Second one is the graph that displays data that changes continuously over the period of the time is called the histogram. Next question, histogram is graphical representation of dash data, grouped data. Histogram is a graphical representation of grouped data. The total area of the histogram and the total frequency is proportionally equal to the data. A graph that displays data that changes continuously over the period of time is called the histogram. Next, histogram is a graphical representation of dash data, grouped data. Next question is very easy. In a village, there are 570 people who have cell phone and NGO survey their cell phone usage. Based on this survey, a histogram is drawn. Answer the following questions. See the histogram for they are given in there. Cell phone using peoples. Here hours, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4, 5, 6 hour. 1 hour to 2 hours usage the people equal to 110 peoples. 2 hours through 3 hours. Cell phone using members 220 peoples. Next, 3 hours to 4 hour 400 peoples. 4 to 5 180 people. 6 to 7 hours using people is 50 people. 5 to 6 100 people. Now asking question for answer there. How many people use the cell phone? How many people use the cell phone for less than 3 hours? Less than 3 hours, how many people? This is the less than 3 hours. How many people using cell phone? Here up they are writing in 110, they are writing in 220. So 110 plus 220 equal to 330 peoples. 330 peoples using in the cell phone in less than 3 hours. Next question, how many of them use the cell phone for more than 5 hours? So here down have the numbers and all hours. 5 hours after you count. Here 100, there 50. More than 500 peoples. 100 plus 50 equal to 100 plus 50 equal to 150 people. Last question, are people using cell phone for less than 1 hour? Here less than 1 is here starter. Less than 1 hours any people is the drawing? No. So here answer is no is the answer. How many people use the cell phone for less than 3 hours? Less than 3 hours, here to keep in the finger 110 plus 220 equal to 2 also add and write 110 plus 220 equal to 330 people. How many of the use phone more than 5 hours? After the 5 hours 100 plus 50 equal to 150 people. Now people are using cell phone for less than 1 hours. No people is there have, so you write it, the answer is no here. Next question, draw the histogram for the following data. Very easy sum. No addition, subtraction, multiplication, anyone also there not. What is that given? You want to draw the graph. Must need the graph sheet. Class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Number of students 5, 15, 23, 20, 10, 7. How to draw? So solution write and write neatly there. Write the solution. X-axis, first class interval. You write it x-axis first one, class interval. Y-axis number of students. Full graph sheet. Full graph sheet you tear the paper. See there, full graph sheet I tear, half only I am tear there. Half paper only you take enough there. How to draw that? First, small sheet only I am taking. I am not take full sheet there. That correctly want to draw the line. First line, next line D1, next line you draw the big line. This is Y, Y dash you write. Next the same also X, X dash. You write it here X. Here write in X dash. Y, Y dash 0. Write first. Right after, see number of students. Class interval, x-axis you write in class interval. Here you write in number of students. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Given the numbers 5, 15, 23, 20, 10, 7 is there given. So now taking the y-axis numbers 5. First number is 0 after count the line. 10th line only there 5. Next 10 line count and you write it there 10. 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Correctly want to count and mark there. See, watch the full video. Should not skip the video and mark it there. See there. Now clear, I think. Now question from there given in 0 to 10 is 5 students. 0 to 10. 0 here there have, 10 is there. 0 straightly here 5. 5 to you mark. Next 10 straightly 5 you mark. These two lines also you want to join there. First you draw the line. Where do you mark? First you draw the line and join this with also. First step is completed. 0 to 10. 0 straightly first 5 and 10 straightly you write in 5. 0 to 10 is completed. How many students there are? 5 students. So you write in 5. First step. Next 10 to 20 is there given in 15. 10 to 20, 15. So 10 straightly. 10 straightly 15 to keep in the point. See there 10 straightly 15. Keep 1 point. 10, 20 straight also you keep in 1 point. Over after you join this line. First breath you joined. Next vertical line. 10 to 1 straight line. 20 to 1 vertical line. How many students there are? 15 students. You write it here 15. Next 20 to 30 they are given in 23. 20 to 23. So 20 straightly 20 after small line is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 line. Count the small line. The next line is 23. Next 30 straight also there you mark in 23. Correctly you mark and join these lines. Join after you draw the straight line. This line is 23. How to there count there? 20 next count small line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 line is 23. So 20 straight in 23, 30 straight in 23, join the line 23. Next 30 to 40, 20. 30 straightly 40. 30 to 40, 20 students. So 30 straightly, here to you join the line, here 20. Here you mark the point, first point. Next 40 straight also you mark in 20. Okay, so 30 to 40, now 20. Join these lines. Next 40 to 50, 10. 40 to 50. Here also 10. Correctly go inside that line. You mark that 40 to 50, 10. 40 straight also 10. 50 straight also 10. These two lines you join. Next 50 to 67. 50 to 67. Here have the 5. 5 next 1, 2, 3. 6. Fourth line. Fourth line is 7. This fourth line is 7. That straightly keep the finger here to fourth line. 5 next to fourth line. 5 the point after fourth line. So that in between one thick line is there going on. Then before line is 7. Here 60 straight also you want to mark there. Clear no? Now these two lines also now join. Here you write it 7. Here you write in 10. 20. See that 0 to 5. Seventh line is 5 here. There have the 5. Fourth line. There to count the small fourth line straightly you mark in 7. Here 7. 23 also. 20 after. Here fifth line. Sixth line is 23. There 2 point keep and draw the line. So now clear your doubts no. First divide the graph. Write in x axis x, x dash, y, y dash. Now here write it the first class interval 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 right after class interval. The 70 is there not give the point so mark for no wrong. So write it no problem. Next number of students 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So one graph sheet you half you taken draw in first sum is completed. Here you write in scale. X-axis 1 centimeter equal to, they are writing in 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 only no. So here writing 1 centimeter equal to 10. Y-axis 1 centimeter equal to, Y-axis 1 centimeter equal to, the taking the students 5, 10, 15, 5 only difference you write in 5. Students, number of students only the frequency for writing, you are writing 5 students. First sum is completed. Any doubt? 0 to 10, 0 straightly 5, 10 straightly 5, join the line 0 to 10 is completed. 10 to 20, 15. So 10th line for here 15, 2 lines also coincide with the point you mark, here also you mark. Join this line and draw the vertical line. 20 to 30, 23 you mark, 34 also you marking 23, join this line and do it the work.
Next sum, construct a histogram. Construct a histogram from the following distributions of total marks of 40 students in the class. Marks 90 to 110. 110 to 130, 130 to 150, 150 to 170, 170 to 190, 190 to 210. So this sum also histogram, this sum also histogram. So what is the difference of the two sums? Here first sum is start from 0 to 10. 10 to 20 continuously have the number, no gap. 10, 10 here over, that start in the 10. 20, 20. Here start from the number is 90 to 110, 110 to 130. So here also no gap. 90 to 110, 110 finish. Next start the number is 110, 130, 130, 150, 150. So these two sum also same sum. Histogram only want to start. They are starting in 0. Here not start from 0. So how to draw the graph? The same method only. You write in x-axis first marks. X-axis marks. Y-axis number of students. That what is that given in the tabular column? First one is x-axis. Second one is y-axis. See the sum. Not from 0 to not start. So they are writing the symbol. This symbol must you write, otherwise sum is wrong. Draw the graph x, x dash, y, y dash. You draw the first graph. Start the number is 0 start. So in between not have the numbers for put in the symbol there. Question from the starting number is 90. Next 20 add and 110, 130. So write it the number. 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 190, 220, 210. 20, 20 add and write. Here number of the students is are given in 9, 10, 9, 5, 10, 7, 4, 6. So here write the frequency for number of students. I am writing in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Scale. X-axis 1 centimeter equal to, what is the difference? 90 and 110. 110 for only 20 is difference. 110 to 130, 20 difference. So you write it x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 20 marks. What is the difference in between? Have the class interval, you write it in the x-axis. Y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 student. So first 90 to 110, 9 students. So mark there. 90 straightly you mark the point 9. 90 straightly you mark the point is 9. 110 to 4 also mark the point is 9. 2 dot mark after you draw the line. 90 to 110. So 90 to start the one vertical line. See very carefully and draw the line. Next here to you join the line. These two lines also join. This is 9 students for you writing 9. Next 110 to 130 5 students. 110 stately 5. 1 mark. 130 state also 5. These two line now you joined. Here draw the vertical line. Here write it the 5. Next 130 to 150 10 students. 130 to 150 10 students. So 130 straightly you mark in the 10. 10 and 130 join this point only you mark there. 150 also 10. Join these two lines. You write. Next 150 to 177 students. 7. 150 to 7. Join these lines. Seven. Next 170 to 190 4 students. 4 straightly you mark there. 170 also 4. 190 4. So 2 side also keep in the finger, correctly you mark there. Next 190 to 210 6 students. So 6 straightly you want to keep in the point. 190 here 6. Mark the point. 210 straightly also mark the point. Join these lines. Six. So graph x dash y dash small line that 0 to not start, 90 from only starting there. So you put in the symbol must there. 90, 110, 20, 20 add and write 210 up to you write. Right after number of the students 1, 2, 3 also write. Here you write in marks number of students. Scale x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 20 marks. Y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 student. So 90 to 100, 110, that 9 you mark. 9 straightly want to keep in the 2 dots. See there, count correctly. Box like must want to come that rectangle shape. Okay, if you have doubt, you ask. Thank you.